Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the mouse pointer color on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and then select Settings. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left side. And then on the right, go down to mouse and go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down versus mouse pointer. Go ahead and open it up. And then at this point, you go ahead and change the color by selecting the colored mouse icon. And then when you select that, then you'll have the option to go change the color of it. You can select the plus sign to choose another color as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.